In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar in Wix. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your website's functionality or an experienced user wanting to try something new, this quick guide will walk you through the process in a simple and efficient way. First things first, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. If you haven't done this before, simply log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Once inside the editor, you're greeted with the familiar layout of your website's dashboard. This is your central hub for editing and customizing your site. Once you're in your Wix editor, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you see the plus icon. This icon represents the Add button. Clicking on it will expand a menu of additional elements you can incorporate into your site. This feature is fantastic for quickly accessing a wide range of tools that can enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your website. After opening the Add menu, the next step is to click on Box from the options. Boxes in Wix allow you to create defined areas on your site for content or functionality. They're quite versatile, letting you organize text, images, and other media however you like. Think of them as building blocks that visually and functionally segment sections of your site. Within the box section, you should see an option for hover boxes. These are particularly engaging because they add dynamic interaction elements when a user hovers over them, ideal for drawing attention to your announcement bar. Click on hover boxes to browse through several template options available. Now you'll see a variety of templates designed to cater to multiple styles and purposes. Take your time to look through these and select the one that best fits your website's design and the type of announcements you wish to make. It's all about matching your website's tone and style to maintain aesthetic consistency. Once you've chosen a template, the next task is to personalize it by editing the text. Click on the text area within the template to begin typing directly or using the text editor. This is your opportunity to provide a clear and direct message to your site visitors, whether it's a seasonal sale, special announcement, or a temporary change in hours. Be concise yet informative to ensure your announcement is noticed and understood. Before you know it, you'll have an engaging, eye-catching announcement bar added to your Wix site. Thanks to these simple steps, this dynamic feature can help you communicate effectively with your audience, keeping them informed and engaged. And that's it, you've successfully added an announcement bar to your Wix website. Feel free to explore further customization options to make your bar even more unique. Thanks for watching and happy editing.